Just like the painter who may have to blend many colors on a palette before finding just the right hue, it takes a certain something extra to build strong customer relationships and handle challenging service situations with care. This book will help you find that something extra. You'll be inspired to tap into your creative side, to find new and rewarding solutions to your most pressing customer service problems, all while lowering stress and raising resilience. Use the pages at the back of the book to record your thoughts and ideas. Enjoy each page personally or with your whole team. Exploring your thoughts, ideas, and experiences can cause dramatic improvements in confidence, creative problem solving, and customer loyalty. A unique new way for your team to draw out bright and bold approaches to take their customer care from good to masterful. Give it as a gift or use it as a training and reinforcement tool. Or use it in team meetings to inspire people to share their own creative ways of brightening up the customer's world to create unbreakable bonds of loyalty.